Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about the effects of personal carbon footprints and ways to reduce the personal carbon footprint. First of all, we need to know what is the personal carbon footprint. The personal carbon footprint is some kind of personal mark, is some kind of effects that help us to identify the impact of the human activities related to the carbon dioxide production and emission to the environment. So this kind of emission is really a negative for the normal living because it helps to produce and increase the greenhouse effect and also to increase the global warming all around the world. So I think that it's really important, first of all, to identify the source of the emissions. I found in the survey that I made to the three English teachers that all of them drive their cars more than 20 minutes a day, and also they fly by plane more than 7 hours a year. So if we identify that the problem is the transportation, we can also realize that we can use alternative transportation like walking to their jobs, going and using the public transportation, and try to organize with some person that have the same way to their jobs in order to not to don't use their personal cars. In that way, we can reduce the production of carbon dioxide to the environment. So there's another issue about the survey that I found that the use of appliances, TV, computers, refrigerators, dryers, the three of them try to use some kind of appliances that save energy. So really, this is a really good point because now we can find some appliances, that has the trade eco-friendly. That it means that those kind of appliances help us to reduce the use of energy. And this is another good situation about the survey that all of them try to buy food that is grown near their house. So it's really important because if we try to not consume the food that is producing that you can find in the supermarkets, and we replace that kind of consumption for the local groceries, for the personal food that is produced, in the gardens of the person. It's good for the environment because in that way we are reducing, not only reduce the use of energy, but also reduce of the water and all the system to produce the food that the person normally eats every day. I think that it's really important those kind of ways to reduce. If you see, those are really simple activities that we can make every day. So regarding to the effects, we can realize that if we can find the effects, their source of the effects, especially the source of the carbon dioxide emission, we can also find specific and really simple ways to reduce the emission. So thank you very much. See you later.